How would you like to learn how to create this effect on Procreate? I'm Christy. I teach hand lettering and doodling on the iPad, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cool texture. I've already created my apple shape, drop color in. Now I'm going to add some color on top of this layer. I'm actually doing this all on one layer. And so I'm going to make sure I have my brush selected. It really doesn't matter what brush. I'm using monoline all the way to the biggest size. I have a yellow color now that I'm just going to add right here. Just going to add yellow, which might seem weird, but that's what's going to help it blend together and make it look dimensional. Okay, now we're going to go to the airbrush tool or the blending tool, and I'm just going to start blending around and see what a cool texture that makes. That's so fun. And that's it. That's how you use the blending tool. Make sure you follow me so you can see my other classes. I've got tons already. Go back and watch them and share it. Also, if you're interested in diving deeper, knowing more, I have a membership group at craftwithchristy.com.